How's it going, everyone? Jude here from LMR.com. Today we're going to be showing y'all some exhaust sounds of the Project Keeping Comp Coyote Swap car. If you've been around the channel before, you've seen Project Keeping Comp. This has our Coyote Swap with the whole series, which you can find linked down in the description below. But a lot of y'all have been asking about the exhaust setup on this car. We're finally able to show y'all the Borla XR-1 Sportsman muffler, which is mounted onto this car and sounds amazing. This really gives a rich and pure tone with the Coyote Swap. It's a lot deeper. There's not as much rasp to the exhaust. Personally, I love it, and especially when you hear it in person, it sounds completely different from a lot of other Coyote Swap cars. This does feature a 2.5-inch inlet and outlet design, and it also features a T304 stainless steel construction. We're going to show y'all some standing revs, some flybys, and other exhaust clips that y'all may want to hear. So other than that, enjoy the video.